Anyway, so I'm just changed my site in another place to work, so I'm gonna show you what I did in here. So we have to run this pipe from, it's gonna be a toilet over here, female toilet, okay, and the waste pipe. And the thing is, we don't have place or something to put the clips on it, so we do this. We cut this metal and we put like that, and the pipe is quite good, you know what I mean? And this, it's everything with cream. That's how I like it. I don't really like it to be on the solder because it takes you more time, but I like it to be with the cream. Very clean and things like that. And the waste, just small piece of copper, and it's gonna connect in there. And over here, this side, it's gonna be two toilets, one here and one there for females. And the riser is gonna be down there. See, that's the toilet for the toilet, and that's gonna be connect west. Yeah, and the copper is gonna be connect over here, but it's not ready yet because we're gonna wait for 3 holes in there. See, the clips is already in a place, and over here too, because the main riser is down here. Like I said, this is male. One toilet over there and one toilet over here. This is false fixing, and it's gonna connect like that already. You can see that. That's just the riser, the main riser. And over here is going to be connected. Yeah. So this is what I do now. On this side, in here, it's going to be disabled, right? West, sink, and from the toilet. And over here is the west. And what I did, because we need to put something in the place until we're gonna fix second fix. So what I did, I get this on the car like that, just to put it in a place. Who's gonna come after me is gonna put something on the wall, or maybe fencing or something. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is the thing. This is a new site. So what I said, they said it's gonna be like that, and that 3 pipe is gonna get 2 of the wall, but they need to come to make the holes for that. But like I said, crimp like it. Listen, the west pipe over here, it's connected in there. Sorry for the lights, but I don't know what's happening with my phone. Yeah. So thank you guys, follow me and subscribe.